as you see by the thumbnail, we finna do some stereo work on the Fox. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Fox Chamber. And if I haven't told you already yet, Happy New Year. All right, as you see by the thumbnail, we finna do some stereo work on the Fox. It's the kit that I got from 417 Fox. He's got a radio and AC gauge swap kit. And I went ahead and got me one because I've been wanting to put a dual in here anyway. And I mean dual as in don't sleep on dual. Dual electronics, don't sleep on them. But I've been wanting to do this for a little while, and I finally got the kit, and I'm gonna go ahead and put one in there, and I'm gonna show you what I got. What I got is a dual electronics, a navigational mechless receiver. Yeah, it's like I was saying, I like dual. I mean, the one that I got in there now is dual, and I've had no problem out of it the entire time I've had it. So why not just stick with dual? I mean, I like them, and plus this one has a built-in nav system on it, so let's get to tearing this thing apart and get this thing in. Well, as you can see, it wasn't that hard to take out. And plus it being dual, I might be able to use this same clip. You know, that'd be very convenient if I could use that same clip right there. But now, I gotta see what I gotta do with this. Looks like we might require some cutting. I'm about to check on that. And before I get to working on this thing and forget to record, what you got to do is you got to take out, as you can see, I took my whole, my original bezel out. Take the 4 screws in the 4 corners out. And now, you can ease it forward. You see I got to disconnect the switches right there from the back. So when I get those disconnected, I'll get back with you in just a second. You take this plug out, you remove it, you get to this screw right here, dealing with your vacuum lines, and there's another screw right there. I think you can see that. Right there and right there. That's how you take this first one off. And I'll get to you when I get to the second one. And for your next switch, you gotta pop that plug right there loose, and take this bolt right here out, and this right here, I'll remove that. And this last one on the left side, you just gotta pop off this plug right here, and the whole front of your HVAC will come out. And the reason I made it where I'm telling you each and every part to take off on the back is I couldn't find nobody that had the instruction on how to take those pieces loose. Unless I overlooked it, I couldn't find them nowhere. So I just kind of started looking and seeing what I was doing and started taking things apart accordingly. But that's how you get that faceplate off the front. And now, after I take this plug off, we're gonna reroute everything down toward the bottom. Now that I've got all of the faceplate off, the HVAC, now that I got that taken off, I got all my lines going up under, going down toward the bottom. Rerouted everything, just like he said on 417 Fox. Got it going good. Got everything down here. Now I gotta cut this section right here and that section right there off so the radio can fit in. And more than likely, I'm gonna have to take my airbag module out because I think it's gonna be in the way, because this the double den that I have is about 6 inches deep maybe, and I think that's gonna be in the way. So I don't use the airbags anyway. I mean, I got my airbag light on, so the thing ain't been working. Ain't no telling when. But I gotta take that out and cut the bracket for the airbag module out and start test fitting this stuff to make sure it goes in. So let me go ahead and cut this. I mean, it's plain and simple. I'm probably not gonna film it, but I just got to cut here and cut here, and I'll get back with you in a little bit. All right, let's see here. That's all the way in. As you can see, I do not have enough space. Well, I will be taking out the airbag module and cutting that bracket so I can have some room. Well, let me take that thing out and I'll get back with you in a few. Well, as you can see, I got this side right here cut. And I might have to end up going back and trimming this little nipple right here off, because I think I did cut a little crooked, but I don't think I got enough of that. So now I just got to cut this side over here without hitting wires and all the other good stuff. And I'll get back with you in a minute. All right, now I got the piece cut out. The back there, that as you saw, it holds the airbag module. So I took it off, cut it out, had to trim a little bit more on the right side, got it to fit, test fit the whole thing, and it looks good. So now I'm getting ready to mount the HVAC switch, and I kind of just got it sitting up there right now. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of hold it right there and keep it pressed up against there, pull the face panel off, and then drill me some holes to put the HVAC in, and I'll show you that in just a minute. All right, I got me 2 pilot holes drilled, 2 screws in, holding the HVAC control on, and this is what I got. Yes, that looks good right there. Put a little light on, put a little extra light on it. Yeah, so that fits up there nice. You got it in, bam. Of course, I'm gonna pull all that tape off. But yeah, it looks good right there. Like I said, I got a hole drilled. So I just got a hole drilled on this side and one on the lower side on this side, just to make sure it was in the right spot. And then when I put the plate up there, boom. Look at there. Looks good. Oh yeah, that's gonna look nice right there. Well, let me see what else I got to do. 417 Fox, he had to extend his wires, and I think that's what I'm gonna have to end up doing to this thing before I continue on. Other than that, it's going together pretty good. But let me check on the extending of the wires, because I think I'm gonna have to do that next. All right, got all the wires extended, and now we're just ready to install it. I got the faceplate sitting up there, and I'll let you see what it looks like. That's it right there. It fits up nice and snug. Of course, I'm gonna have to put some screws in these holes right here to hold the faceplate up. But it's just sitting there. Looks real good. I just gotta put that stereo in there and we'll be good to go. So right now, I'm gonna run my GPS line, get that mounted, and I'll show you where I put it and what I've done with it when I get done with that. Yeah, I'll get back with you in a minute. Well, all right, I got the unit hooked up. Got the GPS connected. I got it sitting in there, but I gotta fix the mount because it's getting kind of a little crooked, not sitting exactly straight. But y'all gonna witness the first startup of this unit. So let's check it out. Well, evidently something is not hooked up right. I'll get back with you in a minute. All right, take 2. All right, I got everything wired up. I had to use the wiring that actually came with it because the other wiring, there was some pins missing. So I had to use the one that came with the kit instead of the one that was already hooked up. All right, let's turn this thing on so y'all can witness it at the same time I am. I gotta get used to this thing myself. Yeah, that's kind of neat. So everything is working pretty good. So tomorrow, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and check out the nav system and see how accurate it is and see how it looks during the day. So I'll get with you then. Matter of fact, let's do this. And it's the next day. So let's take this thing out for a ride, and when I get back, I'll tell you how it is. Well, just got back, checking out the nav system on it. Nav system works great. The touch screen is a little bit touchy. Sometimes you gotta touch it twice to get it to activate, but I still love this deck. You know, Dell Electronics, you know, I like it. So I guess I'm gonna end this video right here. If you like that, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you get that fresh stuff when it comes out, and we'll see you later.